Let me show you guys how easy it is to connect an amp like this to your car. So one of the first steps is to locate the factory amp and then remove these connectors here. You'll then want to connect the harness for the factory amplifier to the OWC interface. From there, simply connect the OWC interface to the new equipment being installed, like in this example here. It's a super easy, very professional way to upgrade a car's audio system. Now that we have this connected, you can see how the OWC interface integrates into your car without any cutting, any splicing, and just imagine how quick and easy that is. Whether you're an installer, a do-it-yourselfer, and you want to add an amp to the system or multiple amps to the system, like you can see in this example here with this 5-channel amp. But the harness comes with the remote turn on, comes with all your signal inputs, your front, your rears, your left, your right. In this case, also a dedicated subwoofer line like you can see there. Speaker wiring, if you opt for it, is built in. And you can see that's also, well, you can't really see so much on the inside, but it comes pre-stripped and fully labeled, so you know exactly what lines connect to what speakers in the car. And you can reference that against the wiring diagram that comes with the kit. And there goes the pre-strippings there again, more labeling, the twisted pairs. So as I've said many times before, it really doesn't get any more simple nor professional because there's no damage to your vehicle, no damage to the factory wiring. You're getting the best connection essentially possible because there's no splicing. You have an actual connector just like the factory. So signal quality between the construction and the materials is going to be oh so on point. It really is, guys. So thanks for checking it out. Enjoy.